The next song is spiritual that called Give Me That Old Time Religion. 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 It's good enough for me. It was good for old Moses. It was good for old Moses. It was good for old Moses. And it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. And it's good enough for me. It was good for old Joshua. It was good for old Joshua. Yeah, it was good for old Joshua. And it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Oh, it's good enough for me. It was good for the Hebrew children. It was good for the Hebrew children. Yeah, it was good for the Hebrew children. It was good enough for me. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. It's good enough for me. It will bring you out of bondage. It will bring you out of bondage. It will bring you out of bondage. And it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Yeah, give me that old time religion. And it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. It's good enough